In this video I will show you how to post a design idea in Photoshop. Select the background layer. Go to Filter, Blur and Gaussian Blur. Follow these settings and press OK. Go to Type tool and type your text. Adjust the text. Go to Rectangular tool. Draw the shape. Adjust the shapes. Shift press select the all layers. Right-click and choose Convert to Smart Object. Unhide the image layer. Adjust the image. Alt press create a clipping mask. Go to Layer Style and choose Stroke. Follow the setting. Click on Drop Shadow. Follow the setting and press OK. That's it. Hope you liked it. Please subscribe my YouTube channel for more tutorials.